This is a blend. Oh, okay, some right here. Okay. Move to the pepper. Okay. Fresh pepper. Okay. So the whole section is pepper. And this section contains over 40 some more pepper stems. Some are bearing peppers. Still got okay, red one. Oh, you see it. So peppers, yeah. So peppers. To go all the way to the pan. So peppers. So peppers. So peppers. Another pepper tree that bearing peppers. So peppers. Okay. So peppers. So peppers. So peppers. Okay. Okay. In here, so peppers. And this is 44 pepper stems. 44. Everything are online. This is one of the bed I will put the bracket around the perimeter. This is one of the perimeter bed. I think you will like the way the peppers are all online. Hope you will like it. 44 pepper stems. Everything are growing. There's no sign of dying. All the 44, no signs of dying. If I all the peppers, there's no sign of dying. Yeah. So if we can get this perimeter bed, we can get about 50 to 100 of perimeter beds like this. And everything contains 44 or even 50 pepper stems. You know how many pepper you'll be talking about? I think we just left the bigger bay. So this is one of the perimeter bay. Yeah. I think you will like it. Everything online. There's no weed in it. Uprooted the weed already. No weed. Okay. Another pepper bay again. But this one we are not yet putting perimeter around it because of the we have to do the collection of the tree branches. I need to put the perimeter. Perimeter around it can also be defined. This one don't have perimeter yet. But so peppers only want to. So gradually, small, farming, small. Start from garden level, then you can bump into a farming, small. Then move to the edos. The edos. So arrows. So arrows. The arrows got over 100 sounds on the ground. So arrows. So arrows. This is where Princess started a wheel uprooting from the arrow. And then the wheels are coming back again. So arrows. Oh, your chips have been humming this morning all the way. They came all the way down. So arrows. You see the arrows. Over 100 sounds of arrows. Yeah. So arrows. Okay, let's move to the pineapple. Okay. I think what you told us to do this is what we did. Getting off the old stems and then the new stem remain. Okay. And the pineapple pretty over 200 sounds. Yes. Pretty over 200 sounds. So pineapple. Oh, they want to start to bear. Already started to bear. What happened to him? That fool been a body crying at that again. Now move for the peanuts. Because he told me everything I should show small. Move for the peanuts. One of the peanut be this, one of the peanut be another peanut be another peanut be another peanut be another peanut be so peanut. Move for another be again. Another peanut be 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 another peanut be. So just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. Okay, let's move to the few cones that try to survive. Okay. try to survive. Yeah, few cones that try to survive. Few cones try to survive. Okay then.